Do you want to know how to separate audio from a video using Filmora software? If yes, then watch this video till the end. To this process, first of all, you need to add any video to your Filmora. So I'm adding this video for an example, and click on this option, add to project, match to media file. After that, right click on this video and there's an option to detach audio. You simply click on this option. You can see now audio is detached. If you want to cut any part of audio or video, you can just scroll it up and scroll it down. You can move it like this, and if I want to remove this part at the beginning part, then I can do like this. Can cut any part like this, and I can delete this part, or I can add anything or remove anything. If I want to remove any video part, then I can also do that. So it is very easy and convenient. So I hope, friends, now you will be able to do it in Filmora. It is a very good software. I use this software only to make my videos and edit all my videos using Filmora 9 only. You can go for any version of Filmora. It is very useful, and I highly recommend you. In case you find this video helpful, friend, just hit on the like button and also subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye, friends, take care.